Hi, I'm Jocelyn, an incoming junior at Saratoga High School. My project is the Smart Mirror, and this is a video for my second milestone. So for my second milestone, I had to build the base of my project. The base of my project was basically building the frame of my mirror, getting the mirror mounted onto the frame, and also getting my display working on my Raspberry Pi. So I'll first talk about the software aspect of this milestone. I had to download base code for my smart mirror from GitHub. After I downloaded the base code for my project, I looked into the code and realized that I had to get an API weather token. A weather API token is basically a unique token that allows you to have access to the forecast for anywhere you want. I needed this token to allow me to get access to the weather where I was. However, after looking through the code, I realized that this code got their weather API token from a specific website. However, this website had closed access to it, so it did not let random people get weather API tokens from it. As such, I had to find a different website to get my weather API token from. I found it, but then I realized I had to completely rewrite the weather API token code because the code that I downloaded was specific to the API token that you'd get from the previous website that was closed down, but I was getting my token from a different website, so I had to completely change the code to be able to accommodate for this new website. Because of this, I looked through the code and I had to change many things, including where it got its information from and how it got its information. I had to change the names of categories. I had to change the names of the icons. I had to change many parts of the code. However, I did finish that successfully. After this, I had a working display, one that displayed the weather, the time, and the news. After this, I needed to build my frame for my smart mirror. I built the frame out of cardboard because I did not have access to any wood, and I needed it to be a very specific frame build because of how bulky my HDMI display was. Using cardboard, a lot of cutting, and a lot of glue, I was able to build a successful frame, one that was able to mount the mirror to it and also mount the display on the back of the mirror. These were the steps that led me to achieving my second milestone, and now I have a working smart mirror, one that displays the weather, time, and news,